May I request all of us to be upstanding, tusimame na tumkaribishe kwa makofi waziri wetu wa viwanda na uchumi, aliyekuwa gavana kitambo wa Nakuru, waziri Kinyanjui. Makofi tafadhali.
Thank you very much. You may be seated. So, asante sana Governor wa Kirinyaga, Your Excellency Anne Waiguru, my colleague and friend Governor Kang'ata, mgeni wa heshima ambaye ametuita leo, Julius and the family, together with your parents who are here today, distributors na wakaaji wote wa Kirinyaga. Hamjambo. Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe tena. Asante. I think the main speech ya leo simetoka kwa mwenye kazi. So mine will just be to close, but I want to say that first I want to salute the family for standing together and being a good example of a family-run indigenous company that has grown. Correct? I have been, in the last 3 months I've been in office, I've been invited to many companies to see industries that are to various sectors, but I have not gone to one where we have indigenous Kenyans. So again, we want to say, as Kang'ata has already said, there is no country that ever developed without value addition and industrialization. So I know a long time ago we were told that maybe ukijikuna kwa mkono utapata pesa, ama ukipata kipara utapata pesa. That is a lie. The only secret is value. Value. Hizi nchi zote tunaenda huko China na nchi zote kubwa, the reason they are ahead is because of value addition. Is because of industries. Huyu mzee yuko hapa ametuambia ananunua mahindi, ananunua ngano, anatengeneza hapa paka anauza nchi za nje, Dubai, huko kwingine kote, because of value addition. So I want to really thank you for being that good example, and also to challenge you. The story you have given is a missing story in our entrepreneurs. So we know a lot of people who we think are very rich, they have big cars, big industries, but they never tell their story. So young people don't know how you can move from being a makanga to becoming an owner of a company that is now employing 2,000 people. So we owe it also to our young people, because if they don't see examples in the society, they will almost get to a situation where they believe that nothing is possible. So to those of us who are in business and they have succeeded, your story can inspire somebody. Your story can be a beacon of hope to somebody in your situations. And I'm not referring to the situations in my Mahio. I'm not that situation. All the other situations. But I think also what he's trying to say is that katika the journey of life, kuna milima, isn't it? Some are good, some are not good, but eventually you have to go through all of them. And I think that is the story of life. And we shouldn't just tell that which we think is good. Ya pili, niseme kwamba, nimefurahia pia kusikia kwamba Family Bank pia imeweza kufadhili kiwanda hiki. And Family Bank is one of our local indigenous companies. They had the confidence and the hope that they would make it. And today, we are coming to celebrate success. I want to take this opportunity also to challenge our banks. The government has been reducing its appetite on treasury bills and bonds, and we expect that the interest rates charged by banks will also come down. I appreciate previously it was around 18, now it has come up to 14, 15. We do hope that it should come to the range of about 12, and this will be very important for supporting our business, so that we can have a sustainable economy where all of us benefit. The government is keen on supporting manufacturing. And I just want to enumerate some of the things we are doing. One, if you are importing equipment for any industry, you are not charged any taxes. Kwa hivyo mashini kama hizi kubwa mnaleta huku za packaging, za kusiaga, there is no tax on that. So that is a huge advantage. At the county level, we have partnered to create county aggregation parks, ambapo if you don't have land but you want equipment, you can be able to partner with the county, start your small industry, and together you can grow and become the next Joy Millers. So again, that acts as an incubation center. We also have a government agency that is giving finance to the industrial sector, and it's called Kenya Development Corporation. On Friday, I was in Lamu to commission a factory that we have funded to a tune of 250 million shillings at an interest rate of 9%. Again, if you have a vision on manufacturing, if you have found what you require, again, the government is ready to plug and support you in your journey to industrialization. We have also signed a credit line with the government of India. So if again you require equipment coming or machinery coming from India, again there's a credit line of up to 10 years before you can be able to pay that. So in short, then also for tax, we have a policy where all the capital you have invested in your industry will be deducted. So you will not pay any taxes until you have recovered all the costs that you put in your industry. Kwa hivyo tunajaribu kusema, the government has done its part, but the government cannot come and state industries. It is the responsibility of who? It is us, you and I, and the business community. And I think for the consumers and all the business people who are here, is also to challenge us to buy what is made in Kenya. Because when you buy clothes that have been manufactured here in Kenya, when you buy a shoe that is made in Kenya, you are supporting an industry in your own country. So these are some of the measures that we are doing, and we believe that together we can be able to see the more Joy Millers even in other sectors. Pia ningetaka kutaja mambo ya kahawa. Kama vile governor wenyu ametaja hapa, kahawa mwaka huu imepata bei nzuri sana. Na hata nikiona uso ya watu wa Kirinyaga, Nyeri na huko kwingine, I see that money has gotten into our pockets. Na tutahakikisha kwamba tunazidi kutafuta soko katika hata nchi zingine na bei nzuri, ili hizo pesa ziweze kutufikia sisi wote. Lakini pia niseme tuko na tisho kubwa sana kwa ukuzaji wa kahawa, kwa sababu sehemu mingi ambapo tulikuwa tukikuza kahawa kama upande wa Kiambu na Ruiru, sasa hizo mashamba zinakuwa residential. Kwa hivyo our total output is coming down. Na kwa sababu ya hiyo, serikali imeanzisha mpango wa kuweza kutusaidia kwenda kuanzisha ukulima wa kahawa in areas outside where we have pressure for land. Na mwaka huu peke yake tuko na 500 million shillings ambazo tunapatiana through cooperatives for seedlings for coffee. Nimeongea na governor wenyu together with Governor Kangata. If you have cooperatives that would want to increase your coffee coverage, we would want to support you so that we can replace the land that we are losing to the real estate in the urbanized parts of Nairobi. Kwa mambo ya tax, Governor Kangata pia ameweza kutaja kwamba hii mambo ya VAT refunds, I agree it is a challenge, but we are at an advanced stage to ensure that we resolve this matter once and for all, because the funds that are withheld by KRA becomes an additional cost of finance for the companies. And this applies mainly to export-oriented companies and where they do not, they sell a product that's not vatable. So we are working on that, and I hope that members of parliament will be able to appreciate how much of a handicap this has been to our companies. Ya mwisho tu pia ni kutaja mambo ya multiple compliance organizations. Imetajwa hapa, iko NEMA, iko FIRE, unachukua license here. Kuna sheria ambayo tumetengeneza ambayo inasema uniform procedure, so that when you go you just need to give one license and all that is done. The National Assembly imeweza kuipitisha, ministry imepitisha, na sasa iko katika Attorney General, ili kama hata ni distributor na nataka kuuza unga kutoka hapa into 5 counties, you don't need to have a license in all the 5. One of them can consider to be applicable in all of them. And we are doing this because we believe that government, both at national and county, must be facilitators. And when they are facilitators, they make business much easier for everybody. And we shall continue to work together. Mimi sitasema mengi. I just want to congratulate my two governor friends, Kangata and Waigoro, and to say that Kenya needs progressive leaders. People who understand the value of private investment and are ready to support industries and companies. So that as Joy Miller comes up, we employ more people from Kirinyaga. We bring more wealth to our people. As Kangata supports his people back in Muranga, we also believe that the Muranga people and economy will gradually come up. Mwisho hapa hii barabara ambao tumefanya dualing kutoka Thika pali mnaita Keno kuja mpaka wapi? Marwa. Hizo pesa kama vile mnajua ni pesa ambayo serikali wanga inakopa. That is a tradition. But for the government to get back its money, there must be investment such as this one. So as we dual and make all these railways and all that, there must be corresponding economic activity for there to be a return on this investment. Tumekuwa juzi nchi ya Uchina kusaini mkataba wa kufanya dualing kutoka Nairobi kwenda mpaka Nakuru na inaanza mwezi wa 6. Sasa hiyo pia is a challenge to all the business people in that region to ensure that they start businesses such as this Joy Millers that can employ 1,000 people, and if you have 20 Joy Millers, that is 20,000 Kenyans. That is the story we want. I want to end there and thank all of you for coming and for supporting our hero for today. God bless you.
Thank you so very much. Let's appreciate our chief guest. Tupigie makofi. Indeed, thank you very much, Your Excellency, for the opportunity. With your permission, allow that I now invite the cake patron, who is only going to take 3 minutes to do this exercise so that we finish up. God bless you. My name is Kalbachero.
We need a cake patron. Now, ladies and gentlemen, tunaenda very fast to this last part of the program, and there we have the what we call how the packet looks. Hii ambayo inatoka pale Joy Millers ya ngano. Kwa hivyo waheshimiwa wetu governor, CS na mheshimiwa, tutaangalia pale kwa screen, tutaweza kuona yale yanaendelea pale so that we don't have to stand there. So the rest of us tunaweza angalia kwa screen, we see the unveiling. We just see from the screen there, we'll be able to see. So tunaweza simama ndio tuweze kushangilia tukifanya the official unveiling pale, and then we cut the cake as we come to the end of this wonderful occasion. So ningeomba tafadhali wengine tutabaki. I will only ask Governor Waiguru, Governor Kangata, CS Kinyanjui, Mheshimiwa Honorable Wainaina, our chairman Madam Jacqueline Chomba, COO Maureen Chomba ndio watakuwa pale. Hao wengine tafadhali tungoje. So for now, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially unveiling how the product looks like. So tafadhali twende kazi na DJ tupatie muziki.